Hello guys, welcome back to another product review, and today I'm going to be doing a quick review for the Z36s watch 7. I'm going to be seeing this product. Is it a good product? Is it worth buying? As I started a new series of unboxing different products at different price ranges from different producers, from different categories, to see are these products very good. So this is the watch 7, and on the box they show you what the watch is all about, what the watch packs at the box, and that's a good touch because they are showing you what you are going to get before even you unbox the watch. So on unboxing the watch, all you get is the watch straps, the watch itself, and the charger, or it's called the USB. Let me call it the USB. So you get the charger, the watch straps, and the watch in the box. So the watch straps are rubber, and it's good rubber on touch and feel. You also get the charger, and I love the charger of this watch. It's a magnetic charger, so when you're going to charge your watch, you don't have worries of it disconnecting at night, because it's a magnetic charger. Unlike some watches which come without magnetic chargers, and they are hectic to charge. You have to put it on, make sure it's on. And the watch has a very nice beauty. It's a pink watch, but it has a gold finish to it, which is a good touch. It's not pink as some watches, if it's pink, it comes when it's pink, the whole of it. So this one has a gold touch to it, and this is an advantage because if you're to add different watch straps, they will quite match, because gold kind of matches with different gold matches with different colors. As you say, I told you it's a magnetic charger, and if you're looking for watch, make sure you get a watch with a magnetic charger, because there it becomes easy for you when you're charging it. Trust me, you look for a watch with a magnetic charger, and there are many options there. I'm going to be doing many reviews. Most all of these watches which are made to look like an Apple Watch, they have faces of an Apple Watch. And this one also, if you turn the dialer up, you can change faces, and if you connect on the app, you get more options of downloading different faces, and also like setting your picture or your favorite picture as watch face. So if you open, it has very many functions. As you see, it can help you in your workouts, count steps, because when you connect it on the app, it keeps on collecting data from the watch to your phone. You can see your workouts and everything. The downside of this watch is its operating system. Okay, like the layout, as you see in system or in settings, the words are quite off. As you see, if you go to about phone, that's where you find the off switch, and that's inconveniencing other than other watches where you have a dedicated off switch. If you want to switch off the watch, you just place the off switch. If you go to settings, you get the off switch. So you can connect this watch to your phone and receive calls, messages, but you won't be able to access files on your phone like the Apple Watch or the Galaxy Watch. So you won't be able to access files on your phone or access internet via this watch. All it does is receive notifications on your phone that are on your phone, on your watch, like maybe WhatsApp messages, Instagram messages, Twitter messages, or Twitter notifications. So it helps you not to keep on checking on your phone. If you're in a busy place and maybe someone sends a message, you'll be able to receive it on your watch, and you won't have the inconvenience of getting your phone, trying to unlock it. You just get the message on your watch when it's connected to your phone. So let me put on the straps. As the straps slide in from the side, I told you this is a pink watch, but it has a gold finish to it, so you can add on the white straps. Also the black straps will work, the gold straps will also work, even the silver straps, they will also work perfectly. So as you see, if I put on the straps, this watch is quite presentable. It's a good watch. And if I may compare this to some watches screen to body ratio, this one, it has a small screen to body ratio, if I may term it that way. The screen to body ratio is quite minimal, so it's big but it's not up there, because some watches go up to like a full screen. And it has two dialers on the side, the one which changes faces and another one which turns on and off, plus the operating system or the OS of this watch is not that solid. As you know, it lags, the refresh rate is quite down. You can see it lagging in some parts, and if I put it on, you see it's quite a presentable watch. So if you're putting it on, it's quite a presentable smartwatch. And this watch goes for it's in the range of 12 to $9. Yeah, $9 to $12, that's the price range that it is in. So it's quite an affordable watch. And if you wanting to first try out a smartwatch, this will work for you. Anyway guys, thanks for watching.